Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to set a minimum or maximum single product quantity for specific items in Shopify. Using the single product quantity condition, you can easily set a minimum or maximum single product quantity for specific items, and we'll show you how in this video. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we'll use the single product quantity condition. So first, we'll search for single product quantity in the search bar. Then we'll select the rule type where this condition is available, Essential 1 or Essential 2. If a condition is available in both types, you can select either one. Here we can see that the condition is available in both rule types. For this video, we will choose the Essential 1, select this rule to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select Single Product Quantity. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the search option. Then select the conditions. Now here, you can see many more options. You should choose these options based on your requirements. For example, if you want to set a maximum quantity, select Block if more than. If you want to set a minimum quantity, select Block if less than. For this video, we will set a minimum order quantity. So we will select Block if less than and enter minimum single product quantity 4. Now you will see two options here. These options let you control which products the rule will apply to. Any products. If you select this option, the rule will apply to all products in your store. You don't need to select any specific products, tags, or collections. When to use, when you want the same rule to apply to every product. Selected products. If you select this option, the rule will apply only to specific products you choose. After selecting this, you will see three filtering options. Products. Select individual products. Product tags. Apply the rule to products with specific tags. Collections. Apply the rule to products that belong to selected collections. If you need to add some specific products, we recommend using product tags filter option instead of products filter option. Because instead of adding products one by one, whenever a new product is added to your store, you can simply assign the same tag to that product. This way, there's no need to edit the rule again. The rule will apply automatically. Also, in this way, you can cover hundreds of products using a single rule. Here I will simply add the min limit tag to the Snow Bear product by going to the tags section, adding the tag, and then saving it. Then we choose selected product, then choose product tags, and add product tags min limit. This means if the min limit tagged product is added to the cart and its quantity is less than 4, then the order will be blocked. Now, we will add a proper error message for the customers like, please add at least 4 Snow Bear in your cart. Then click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order, and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because in the cart, we can see that min limit tagged product Snow Bear has a quantity of less than 4, while Jersey has a quantity of 7. The error message is showing because we set the rule specifically for min limit tagged products. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay. But the payment will not be completed. Let's try to place the order by clicking on the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom. As expected, the order was not accepted. Now let's add some quantities of Snow Bear. Make it more than 4 and then check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!